Udokotela Ramokgopa ubehlangene neziphathimandla zaseGoli namhlanje ngemuva kokuba i-Eskom inikezele lidolobha isaziso sokucima ugesi njengoba likweleta u4.9 billion wamarandi. Idolobha iGoli lithembise ngokukhokhela isikweletu sayo, i-Eskom yabe isihoxisa isaziso sokucisha ugesi.
The triggering of that notice then falls away because of a commitment to pay the current account. So the notice then gets to be withdrawn.
Udokotela Ramokgopa uthi kubalulekile ukuthi isixazululwe izinkinga zogesi eGoli ezilokhu ziqhubeke njalo.
It is important that as we resolve the Joburg challenge, we have an admission to make that all other municipalities are faced with the same situation. The challenge with Johannesburg is that it's the biggest of all these entities. So if Johannesburg fails, the economy will fail.
Uphinde wamemezela ukuthi kuzoqashwa inkampani ezimele ukuze kuxazululwe lezi inkinga njengoba iCity Power isola ukuthi u-Eskom uyikhokhisa ngokweqile.
We are agreeing that you need an independent technical assessment to reconcile and confirm the billing. The billing on the part of Eskom and what the City Power claims on their version is the accurate billing.
Ekhuluma ohlelweni lasekuseni lwe-Newsroom Africa i-AM report, undunankulu waseGauteng uPanyaza Lesufi uthele ngxabano idinga ukuthi kuhlangane amakhanda aphusile ukuze kutholwe isixazululo kunokuthi kujahwe ukufikelela ezivumelwaneni njengoba lolu daba lusezinkantolo.
Eskom believes that they are owed, and then City Power believes that they also have carried some responsibilities on behalf of Eskom, and they really believe that Eskom should also reimburse them. And they want to deduct what they feel is due from Eskom, from the debt, and that has been the center.
Ungqongqoshe wezogesi uthi isikweletu sikamasipala sesinyukile njengoba ngoNtulikazi besingu 78 billion wamarandi, kodwa manje sesingu 90 billion.